Hello, ISD students. My name is Miss Brewster, and I'm here to talk to you today about some major geographic features in Africa. Now, geographic features, if you don't already know, are naturally created features of the Earth, like a landform or a body of water. Some examples of geographic features include mountains, deserts, and forests. Those are landforms, and rivers, oceans, and seas. Those three are bodies of water. Now, for this definition of geographic features, this naturally created part is super important because some students often get confused and say that the pyramids of Egypt, for example, are a geographic feature. That is, of course, not the case. Pyramids of Egypt are a non-example of a geographic feature. They are not a geographic feature because they were not naturally created. They were built by the Egyptians. So we're going to be focusing on the features of the Earth that are created naturally, that humans have not built. And those geographic features that we are going to focus on today are located in Northern Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa. If you look over here on this map, Northern Africa is the part in the gray, and Sub-Saharan Africa is the part in the green. All right, so we are going to learn today about some of the significant geographic features in both. So your instructions for today. On the instruction page that was on the district website for this lesson, you will find a link to a Quizlet for you to practice some vocab words for geography of Africa. I would say that you should spend 10 to 15 minutes practicing your vocab words using that Quizlet. Now, I just want to say that the Quizlet may ask you to log in with a Google account. I want to emphasize that you do not need to log in to this website or create an account with this website in order to practice your vocab words. All right, what I would do is if you click on one of the Quizlet games to practice your vocab words and that window pops up asking you to log in, click the X on that window, click on the game that you were wanting to play again, and it should let you enter the game so you can practice your vocab words. That's number one. Number two, after you've spent 10 to 15 minutes practicing your vocab words, is to read carefully through the slides that are also linked on that instruction page and take notes on a sheet of paper. All right, this sheet of paper can be whatever you have available to you. If it's a sheet of notebook paper, that's great. If it's a sheet of construction paper, that's great as well. Whatever you have available to you at home. All right, you are going to also answer any questions you see on the slides on your sheet of notebook paper as well. Once again, the slides are going to have information and pictures about the geographic features in Africa. Once you have done 1, 2, and 3, you're going to move on to number 4. And number 4 asks you, when you are done, there is a quizzes to test your knowledge on the last slide of this presentation. Right? For the quizzes, you just need to go to the website, joinmyquiz.com, which is on the slide, and put in the code, which is on the last slide of this presentation about the geographic features of Africa. All right. I hope you enjoy your lesson. I hope you learn lots, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all again when you come back.